Welcome everyone. Want to migrate and import your website URLs, links, etc. from Thirsty Affiliates to BetterLinks? Today we will show you how to do that easily from your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you have installed and activated BetterLinks first. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Then click BetterLinks. Then tap on Start Migration. A pop-up will appear on the display. Click on the Run Migration button to proceed. You have successfully migrated all of your Thirsty Affiliates data to BetterLinks with just one click. To migrate more links from the database, go to BetterLinks settings and open the Tools section. From the plugin you want to import from, select Thirsty Affiliates. Once selected, the Migrate from database will appear. Click the button to start the migration. To import a custom CSV file, go to Thirsty Affiliates from your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Export CSV. Click on Export Affiliate Links to download the file successfully. For importing the download file to BetterLinks, go to BetterLinks settings again, then navigate to Tools. Choose the plugin Thirsty Affiliates. Set your preferred link prefix. Select the export file you previously downloaded that you want to import. Click the Import File button. You have just successfully imported the links with set prefixes. Finally, if you go to Manage Links, you will see that all your migrated and imported links have been successfully added to BetterLinks. That is how you can migrate and import Thirsty Affiliates links to BetterLinks. Do not forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.